Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brandish machine for fun, man. Be big matic and make people run you. Ain't never bust corn, you're alive. None of them pussies are riders. All of them tired and sleeping.
Yo, go and tell who panda.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against my thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move around the sound.
It's good YouTube. Gang, it's your boy Jambisco and I'm back with it and I hit and I smash it out. Bang! Don't see how different type what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, people, I'm here with a highly requested track, you know, from my UK family. You know, it's been requested a long time ago to do. We did song from this artist before, but this song I've been seeing this song repeatedly in the comment section. I've been requested to do Abra Cadabra on deck many times. I meant to do it, I never got around to do it, but today we're definitely gonna check out the track and see what's going today, see if it's a banger. But from what I've heard from Abra Cadabra, I definitely believe it's gonna be a banger. You know what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, from what I heard from Abra Cadabra, I definitely feel like it's gonna be a banger, guys. So I'm excited to listen to this track. You know what I'm saying? And I'm sorry, guys, it's kind of cold today. It's kind of freezing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's real man one. But I'm definitely excited to see this track. Listen, see the video, listen to the track, because Abra Cadabra, as we know, is dope artist, very ill, lyrical style and everything there. You don't know, so I'm definitely excited. So you already know we do it over here, guys. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. From returning viewers and subscribers, I love you guys. We're going strong over here. My love them like cook food and are the best. You just know I show straight support and I'm active and everything. I just love it. I just love y'all. You know, I appreciate y'all. We're going strong. We're headed to 50K this year. You know what I'm saying? We're in the 50K subs this year. So you already know. Stay tuned. Share. Tell a friend. You already know. Not gonna hold on too long, cause we don't know so the video got lit. So I'm gonna jump right now. Track this Abra Cadabra song, video on deck. Let's get it.
Sure, you know, it be in the building. GRM Rated Awards 2020, you know the thing. Always and always. Back like I never left him, no.
I just like this nigga vibe, man. I just like his intros. He just be talking like, the way they talk, this shit just dope with his accent and shit. You feel me? UK already deep, and then the UK accent already dope. You feel me? And then the nigga deep ass voice and he's coming like some gangster shit, some bullshit. I fuck with it. Yeah, I fuck with Abra.
Yeah, I spin this coots. I just see something. Should've never been envisioned. I would've seen you with a peanut. I wanna squeeze something.
Man. I love how this nigga start off his tracks. I told you. I gotta take it from the top, man. I just love how he starts off his track. Look like he just gets you right and just in the mood for the music. You know what I'm saying? He just sets up the tone for the music, bro. I just love that shit.
It was 2020, you know the thing. Always and always. Back like I never left him, no.
Back like I never left him.
Yeah. I spin this coots. I just see something. Should've never been envisioned. I would've seen you with a peanut. I wanna squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brandish machine.
I wanna squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. To them, dog. We're not gonna fire while shot. We're not shoot for nothing, man. We always shoot for a reason. We always shoot for hit the target. To them.
Fun man, be big matic and make people run you. Ain't never bust corn, you're a liar. None of them pussies are riders. All of them tired and sleep.
I told you, bruh. I just love this nigga music. Nigga say you never bust corn, you're a liar. You never bust corn, you're a liar. You know what corn is? You're in Jamaica, corn is gunshot. You see me? When you pop corn, or bust corn, or fire corn, that's gunshot. You see me? Yo, bro, y'all gotta know, bro. I'm taking this shit.
It was 2020, you know the thing. Always and
fuck all that. This nigga music get me hype.
Back like I never left him, no.
Fuck you mean? Love me,
I spin this coots.
Yeah.
I just see something. Should've never been envisioned. I would've seen you with a peanut. I wanna squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brandish machine for fun, man. Be big matic and make people people run you, ain't never bust phone, you're a liar. None of them pussies are riders.
Bad man, no brand this machine for fun. We can't make people run. You never bust Kanye a liar. Oh my God, that's such a beautiful rhyme scheme, bro. Lyrics, dog. Oh my God, bro. Oh, can I take it from the top? I'm taking it from the top. I don't give a fuck.
It was 2020, you know the
No.
team. Oh, yeah, no way.
No.
That I can
No,
never
bro. This
let you
nigga
know.
Abra Cadabra is not missing, bro. Yo.
Yeah. I spin this coots. I just see something. Should've never been invincible. I would've seen you, would've been nothing. Would've been nothing. I wanna squeeze something.
I want y'all to listen to the lyrics that's coming up. Listen, people. Listen, people.
Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brand this machine for fun, man. Be big matic and make people run you. Ain't never bust phone, you're a liar. None of them pussies are riders. All of them tired and sleeping.
Yo, go and salute Panda. Go and salute Panda, man. Yo, this nigga Abra Cadabra is not missing. This nigga gonna turn out to be one of my favorite artists in the UK, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yo, let's get it.
When we pull up in the evening, creeping. Family's grieving. My dad when he see me put my palm on my hip. Like Kush said, y'all dance with the stick, man's dancing with it. Any violation straight, cause he's asking for it. You just turn bad now, you're in need, yeah. All of us chillin', she best believe that. Take away a gal, cause she the baddie, she don't need that. I need that. Look.
Take away a girl, she a body, she don't need that. I mean that. Bob class.
I got my brown in inside, but she give me stress, so I might fly west. She my west thing now, she don't give me stress. She don't make me feel nice, jiggy jiggy on deck. I got bad gal round, jiggy jiggy on deck. In North London, jiggy jiggy on deck. In East London, jiggy jiggy on deck. But I don't ever slip, got my blicky on quaff. I got my brown in inside, but she give me stress, so I might fly.
Jiggy jiggy on deck, got big girl pan deck, some never. The bomb class.
She my west thing now, she don't give me stress. She don't make me feel nice, jiggy jiggy on deck. I got bad gal round, jiggy jiggy on deck. In North London, jiggy jiggy on deck. In East London, jiggy jiggy on deck. But I don't ever slip, got my blicky on quaff. No, I ain't never sent dick pics. You could come get this dick in person. D down the puss swell till it's hurting. She gonna definitely leave a man, that's certain. Baby, show me we.
I don't send dick pics, you can get it. Come back, give us straight dick till the pum hurt.
You do if you split on the dickest curtains, or can you sit on it and spin like the spinner on my block, baby, keep turning. If you touch your watch, you can't get dead. No, shut up your mouth, you gem. Like, bed and boy, been friend, ooh, nah, nothing around there, been dead. So when you ask by the, I don't know, do they really want war? I don't know, how they really got guns? I don't know, do they really do slides? I got things on the tutu, but not the, cause the things on the, it ain't really my type. No cap, I never lie, I might try, one day, but for now I'm fine. But if you send me a DM,
no cap, I don't lie. I might try one day, but for now, I'm fine. No cap. I might try. I don't lie. I might try one day, but for now, I'm fine. Hey, come in.
think otherwise I might slide on you, baby, just try. If you see me on the road, say hi. Don't be shy. Charlie. My jiggle body thing from the TT, me with it. Back so big, I gotta lean with it. You know, yeah. Like the hand thing, man, lean with it. Stay G with it. I got my brown in inside, but she give me stress, so I might fly west. She my west thing now, she don't give me stress. She don't make me feel nice, jiggy jiggy on deck. I got bad gal round, jiggy jiggy on deck. In North London, jiggy jiggy on deck. In East London, jiggy jiggy on deck. But I don't ever slip, got my blicky on quaff. I got my brown in inside, but she give me stress, so I might fly west. She my west thing now, she don't give me stress. She don't make me feel nice.
Hey, what tell me what you think, boy? Some people, the song I lit no bumbuckler vibes, lyrics. Abra Cadabra, yo, Abra Cadabra, dog, the better hear the dog, yo, this nigga, yo, man, I gotta do some research on Abra Cadabra, because if he ain't big, he needs to be bigger. You feel me? For real, this nigga going hard, bro.
I got bad gal round, jiggy jiggy on deck. In North London, jiggy jiggy on deck. In East London, jiggy jiggy on deck. But I don't ever slip, got my blicky on quaff.
That's Rash.
Bumbuckler, Abra Cadabra. Abra Cadabra hasn't failed us, guys. Not once. He hasn't failed us yet. Yo, I like Abra Cadabra. I like his music, bro. Like, for real. And I look forward to reacting to even more. I think there's a remix to this. I see they also put that I should react to the remix to this. So I'm gonna look up the remix and I'm gonna definitely go and check it out, cause Abra Cadabra, I'm loving his music, loving his style, loving his vibes. Lyrics is crazy. I just love UK music, man, and I appreciate y'all for keep sending me these reactions. Keep the reactions coming. I'm gonna keep checking them out, bringing the reaction, the late reaction, the vibes, everything, the energy, man. Thank you guys for sending me, for suggesting these videos, and keep those videos coming, man. I'm gonna make them even later, better, and just like, yo, I love just discovering new artists, new music, and just enjoying it, man. It's lit. So guys, please let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you like this artist, if you like the song, if you like the beat, if you just like the vibes, yo, let me know what y'all think. And if y'all do like it, definitely go check out the artist. Let them know that Jambisco send you, show some support, you know, let them know you love it, you know what I'm saying? If you have any negative or any not so positive thought, definitely leave it in my comment section. Keep all the hate over here, you don't know, I leave love with it on this channel, straight love, you feel me? So if you like it, show the artist some love, man. Drop the fire emoji, drop a comment, the fire shit emoji, garbage can, whatever you think, let me know in the comment section, man. You already know. Yo, I really enjoyed this guy. Keep the videos coming. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this video for y'all. You already know, man, what this is. Abra Cadabra on deck, dope track. You already know UK music is lit overall, man. Y'all definitely check it out. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Send me more artists, man. Love you guys. And you already know it's your boy Jambisco. I was here tonight, hit and smash on banger. Till the next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.